guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. Today is a very exciting day because it's my cat's birthday.
Meow 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 meow.
I have two cats. One is Snoopy and the other one is Brownie. It's Brownie's birthday, but I would like to clarify that it's not her actual birthday. Like on this day, she came to our home. She officially became our family member. So I celebrate this day as her birthday. Same goes for the Snoopy. I don't know when he was actually born, but I know when he came to our home. So Snoopy's birthday is on 16th of October and Brownie's birthday is today, 19th of November. I have never bought or made a cake for my cats on their birthdays. Like, I've always brought cat food or fish on their birthdays. But this birthday, I decided to do something that we both can eat. Okay, so 3 milk cake is the only option that we both love to eat. Like, my both cats love 3 milk cake. So we are gonna make a 3 milk cake in this video for my cat's birthday. But I don't know how to make it. But my sister is gonna help me. So let's get started. Alright, so for the 3 milk cake, you first have to make the base for the cake. Okay, so for the base of the cake, you'll need 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, baking powder, baking soda, 2 eggs, and a beater. Okay? Step number 1, which is the easiest and simplest one. Okay? Take 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and add less than the pinch of baking powder and baking soda. That's what my sister said. So let's do it. Less than the pinch. Now baking powder. Now keep this aside and forget about it. Step number 2. Take bowl of this size. Okay. Take 2 eggs and you should have powdered sugar. Now what you have to do? Crack these 2 eggs in this bowl and start beating it. And while beating the eggs, you have to add 5 tablespoons of sugar in it gradually, not at once. So let's do it. So I have cracked the eggs. Now before I start beating, let me tell you that you have to beat the eggs until the consistency becomes very fluffy. I will show you in camera so that you can see how exactly should be the consistency. Okay. Now let me show it to my sister that the consistency is okay or not, and then I will tell you. Okay, she said beat it a little more. I think now it's okay. Let me again show it to her, then I'll show you. So finally she approved it. This is how the consistency should look like. I hope it's visible. Okay, now we will add the flour that we prepared in step number 1. Remember? So we will add the flour in it the same way we added sugar, okay, while beating. So we are done with adding the flour too. This is how it looks like now. Step number 3, add 1.5 tablespoons of oil into it. Mix it. Whoa. Pretty. Okay, we have mixed all of the oil. I have taken pan of this size, which I have already greased it. Okay, grease the pan and then add all of it into it. So now it's ready to bake. I'll be right back when it's baked.
1 hour later.
So the base of the cake is all ready. It looks like this. I hope my camera is focusing on it. It looks so yummy. Oh my god. So we will let it cool and keep it aside. Meanwhile, we'll make the 3 milk mixture. For that, you will need milk. Obviously, I have taken 1.5 cups of milk in this bowl. I poured in it, and a heavy cream and condensed milk. So first we'll add condensed milk. Okay, I'm adding it on my own estimate because I don't want it to be like too sweet because the base of the cake is already very sweet. So yeah. Oh my god. Please come out. Okay. It's here. Wait! Testing my patience. It's coming out in drops. I can't be the baker. Baker. My earring has fallen off. I should take it off this one too. Let me ask my sister how she does this shit. So she helped me in cutting it off completely. So you would be thinking why I haven't shown my cat in this video so far. So let me tell you something about Brownie, that she's super aggressive cat. Like, she doesn't like all of this stuff. She doesn't like love and affection. I love her so much. Whatever she does, I can lay my life for her. But you know, if I had brought her in this video from the beginning, she is like super clever. Like, if she knew that this setup is all for her, she would never come at the end of the video when I'd be representing this gift to her, and like, which is the main part of the video. So I made this decision that she will only be in that clip. Let me taste it. I think now it's okay. Now we'll add heavy cream. Half packet of heavy cream. I would like to ask all of the bakers that how do you resist yourself from not eating or drinking your stuff? Like, how? I really want to know because I can't. Yum. The 3 milk mixture is all ready. So now we will put our cake in this bowl. I have taken a fork, and now you have to, make holes in your cake. Okay. So that, it absorbs the milk mixture easily. Now pour the milk mixture evenly on the cake, okay, so that it absorbs it evenly. Oh my god, guys, it looks so delicious. Oh my god. So wait until all of the mixture is absorbed by the cake. The longer the better. You can keep it overnight, but today is my cat's birthday, so I can't wait any longer. So I will wait till all of the mixture is absorbed. So yeah. So finally our cake is all ready. Let me show it to you. This is how it looks like. I hope the camera is focusing on it. The milk is not completely absorbed, but we don't have time, so we gotta go with it. Okay, so I'm not gonna decorate it or frost it, but because my cat and I don't like whipping cream, and yes, we don't have time too. So yeah. So finally, let's bring our cat, who is not at all interested in all of this stuff, but she has to see it. I did it for her. So our birthday girl is here. Okay, so a little birthday dance, please. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Okay. Sorry. You can go. See what I told you? So I'm gonna cut it myself and then we'll serve it to her later. So, happy birthday, Brownie. Happy birthday, Brownie. Happy birthday, dear brownie. Happy birthday to you. Did I make it? Really? I made it? It's so delicious. So delicious, I can't tell you. You guys really need to try this recipe. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.